Hi guys, so here's the project for the day. It's not a bass guitar related one unfortunately, but there will be some more coming up soon. I'm just trying to get more videos out there. This is just a nice repair on a stand. It's a stand that goes onto a teardrop banner. It was at our church and it got broken, so I thought I'd just fix it up. So here's the problem. The banner's got this stand with steel legs. They go across like this, and then this will just go in here and screw through into a nut. And it's supposed to be a retaining nut. It was welded on there. Well, the nut's long since gone, that's not the right one. And that's what we've got to fix. So the nut came off, don't know where it is, and it's only got tiny tack welds. And that should go through and screw into that when that's on there. So this is the fix, and through the video you'll see the process we went through to repair it. So I need to find a nut. I've got a few nuts here, I just sorted them out from a drawer, and they all seem to go on a little bit or not at all, but they didn't go right on, so I didn't have anything. I also tried a standard M12 nut. So in the end I thought, well, I've got to measure it, so I got the calipers out. First of all, measure the diameter, and it's coming in at just under 12mm, so it could be the metric, could be an M12, but you need to find out what the pitch of the thread is. So I've got my thread gauges here, and tried some imperial ones, tried 18 threads per inch, tried 16, and none of them quite got in there. So I then went to the metric side and tried 1.5mm, and that did. So it is actually an M12 1.5. So here's the dilemma. Do I go for a bag of nuts or a new tool? A bag of nuts or a new tool? Well, obviously it's a new tool, because you can't just buy a bag of nuts. You've got to buy a new tool. It's not a lathe, unfortunately, but it is a new tap, so it will go into the collection. I'm just going to face this off. Okay, I'm just going to touch off now. We need to take this stock down a little bit. It's a little bit on the wide side. So I'm just going to take a few passes and get it down to about the size of a nut, and I'll compare it as I go along with a nut and just see what happens. A small chamfer on the end is going to help it when I come to weld. So I'm just going to grab my tap wrench, my tap and my tap follower, take them over to the lathe. Tap follower is quite handy actually, it just keeps the tap straight and square to the stock as you put it in. Spring loaded, so you just push it into the back of the tap and it just holds it there square. All that's left to do now is part it off. Once I've done that, I'm going to flip it round, stick it back in the chuck and just give it a little tidy up on the other side. Then take it over to the vise and run the tap through it again just to clean out the threads. Hopefully it's going to fit, so once it's done I'll take it over, give it a test fit. And then we need to get it welded onto the base of the banner. Well, if you want to see some bad welding, well, here it is. It was shocking, this one. But I did tidy it up afterwards with a file, so I'm not going to give you a close-up because it's just too embarrassing. I welded it all the way around and then tidied it up, and then all that was left to do was give it a coat of paint just to stop it rusting.